Yes, very good morning. So we were doing construction chapter. Yesterday, I was telling you to construct some special kind of angles that are the angles which are multiples of 15. That means which we can have in the table of 15. Those angles should be constructed by compass, and instead of making it with protector when it is being asked to construct the following triangles and all that. So in that race we have learned how to draw 60-degree, then how to draw 90-degree, 120-degree, how to bisect an angle. That means how to divide an angle into two equal parts. That means if we are having an angle of 90-degree, how we can bisect it. I told you the method. And similarly, if we are having an angle of 60-degree, how we can reach to 30-degree and accordingly to 15-degree, right? So now exercise 14.3 we are going to start with. Instead of starting with this exercise, first of all, I would like to discuss the rest of the two angles which we have not discussed yet. Let us start discussing those angles also. Let us discuss those angles also. So I was telling you how to construct a 75-degree angle of 75-degree. First of all, you should write, you should analyze, you should see that this 75-degree lies in between which two angles which are already known to us. That is 60-degree and 90-degree. Between these two known angles are 75-degree lies, right? So I have to construct 60 and 90 both to reach 75-degree, right? So first of all, I'm making a ray with initial point of the ray. I'm going to construct, as I told you on that day, one protector is to be constructed. Like this. And the first arc, you no need to change the length of the compass, the arc. You just have to make the first arc and that will give you 60-degree. So I'm making this 60 shaded. Reason being, this is going to help me. This is not my target. Dotted line, I'm having 60-degree. Now I want to draw 90-degree. So same compass will be opened and this is 120-degree. Same compass is opened and you will bisect this 60 and 90, 60 and 120 and 30 you will go out. And this way you are constructing your 90-degree angle. So even the 90-degree angle, I am making it with dotted lines. You should know the reason, because 90-degree, it is not my target. 90-degree मेरा target नहीं है. I just want to take help of 60 and 90 to reach 75-degree. मुझे 60 and 90 की help लेनी है 75-degree तक पहुंचने के लिए. So you know this 60, I am reaching this arc, that is 60. ये वाला arc हमारा 60-degree का है. So this 60, it wants to become 75. How much it is needed? It needs 15-degree. 60 अगर 75 बनना चाहता है तो उसको 15-degree चाहिए होगा, right? So this is 60 and this is 90. ये वाला arc, and can anyone tell me this arc is of how much degree? It represent how much degree? This 90 and this 60. In between arc represent how much degree? This Tanish is taking the initiative. Tanish, Rhythm, only 2-3 students who come forward to give the answer, even Jayant. Rest of you, why you are not taking part in interaction in telling the answers? Muche, come forward. Come out of this fear that I will not speak. Yes, Tanish?
30 degree.
Very good, 30 degree. And this 60, it needs what to become 75?
15 degrees more.
This 60, it is asking this 30 degree that just give me 15 so that I can become 75. जैसे पुराने जमाने में जो आप हिस्ट्री में पढ़ते होगे, जो पुराने जमाने के राजा महाराजा होते थे, they used to say to their neighbor king or neighbor kingdom that just give me this area of yours so that I can have this position or that, right? Similarly, this 60 degree is borrowing 15 degree from this 30. That means हमें इस 30 को bisect करना है. And I told you how to bisect an angle. जहां पे एंगल स्टार्ट हो रहा है और जहां पे एंगल खत्म हो रहा है, उतनी कंपास आपने, उन डॉट्स जितनी कंपास यू हैव टू ओपन. द point where the angle is started and the point where the angle is finishing, you have to open the compass of that length. Keeping the needle at the starting point, make an arc, and keeping the needle at the ending point, cut that arc. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे आपने आंख रख के लगा दी और एक एंडिंग पॉइंट पे रख के आपने आंख लगा दी. दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू आर्क्स. नाउ यू नीड टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन. This arc was 60 degree and it borrows 15 degree from the adjacent arc, and this hole is become 75 degree. पूरा आर्क हमारा 75 डिग्री का बन गया. So to draw the angle of 75 degree, you need to draw 60 and 90, and in between you will find 75 degree. Rhythm, you want to ask something or your hand is already being raised to give the answer? If it is so, you can lower your hand. Okay. Right. So this is the way to construct 75 degree. Now I am proceeding towards 105 degree. These all we will need in the construction of quadrilaterals. That's why I'm discussing them separately. So we are going to start with 105 degree. Now you need to see that this 105 degree, it lies between which two angles which are already known to us. Definitely they lie between 90 and 120 degree. 105 जो है वो 90 and 120 के बीच में लाई करता है. Right? So इसका मतलब ये हुआ, we need to construct a 90 degree as well as 120 degree. Right? Let us start the construction. So draw a straight line. Starting पे आपको 90 and 120 कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. थोड़ा सा कंपास और खोल लेते हैं. This is 60. This is 120. चलिए पहले 120, you make it dotted, you need it. This is your 120. This is your 60, and you need to make 90. So one arc is from 60. Another arc is from 120, and that will lead you to 90. ये भी आपको डॉटेड बनाना चाहिए because this is just helping you. This is not your target. Your target is 105. You know this 90 and 120, इसके between 105 है, we already have deduced this. Today I can see that 32 students are there out of 41. That means 9 students are absent. But earlier to 32 is also the figure which is not seen on the board. So please do attend your classes regularly. Those who have joined today after so many days, I can see this child Olankit, Priyansh, आज भी नहीं है दोनों. Akshat, Ritesh, Arman, these are the students who are not in habit of attending their classes regularly. चलिए anyhow. So 105 हमें, आप मुझे ये बताओ, हम 90 पे 105 जो है 90 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमारे पास 105 आ जाए? 90 में what should be added so that it gives you 105? 15. तो इसका मतलब अब मुझे ये बताओ, this is 90, this is 120. In between this arc is of how much? In between वाला arc कितने डिग्री का है? Yes, मनस्वी, 90 और 120 के बीच का arc कितने डिग्री का है?
मैम 30 डिग्री।
इसमें से हमें कितना चाहिए?
मैम 15 डिग्री।
15 चाहिए, तो we will bisect it, and we know how to bisect an angle. Where the angle is starting, where the angle is ending, two dots you can see. Open the compass of that much length, keeping the needle at the starting point, making an arc, keeping the needle at the ending point, making an arc like this. So this way you will get 15 from this 30, and this is bold line, I am shading it. This 90 and 15 gives you 105 degree. This is a way to construct 105 degree. These all angles separately, the bisection, the separately angles you will learn in 9th standard also. So it's your practice. Next, I am starting with 135 degree. You all know this 135 is multiple of 15 and can be constructed with the help of the compass. And moreover, this 135, it lies between 90 and 180. So it means पहले आपको 135 बनाने के लिए you reach to 90 and इसमें 45 add होगा and you will get 135. Let us start the construction of 135. First of all, array is to be constructed. On that ray, you need to draw the two helping angles. One is 90, another is 180. So first of all, I am making 90. Keeping the needle at the starting point. So many times we have drawn 90 now. First arc, that is protector. This is your 60. This is your 120. And this you can have as 90. I'm making this 90 to be dotted, because this is not my target, this is just helping me. 90. You know, this 180 is 90 को 45 चाहिए. Now you just increase this ray on the opposite side. Increasing the ray on the opposite side, you can see that here also 90 degree angle is there. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का arc ये 90 degree का है. Now out of this 90 degree, you need 45 to make 135. चलिए इसको bisect करते हैं 45 तक पहुंचने के लिए. We will bisect it. Bisect करने का क्या तरीका होता है? To bisect an angle, just a minute, wait. To bisect an angle, what is the method? We have to keep the needle at the starting and the ending point. Same arc is to be opened. Keeping the needle at the starting point, you have to make one arc. Keeping the needle at the last ending point, you have to make another arc. And this way, you can get 45 out of this. This was 90 and this is 45, and collectively, this arc is forming your 135. So individual angles you should know how to draw. right? So you have learned how to draw the angle. So this will help you to do exercise 4.3 accurately. So let us start with exercise 4.3. Yes, Chian?
मैम एक बार 135 एंगल समझा दो मैम, नेटवर्क कनेक्शन मैम मेरा खराब था इधर।
135 किन दो एंगल्स के बीच में लाई करता है, पहले मुझे ये बता। Jayant, 135 angle, it lies between which two angles?
मैम 90 and 180।
90 and 180. That means firstly you have to construct 90 and 180. So many times we learned how to construct 90, and so I have constructed it like this, right? Now it need 45. So on the other side, I have increased this ray and this becomes 90. Out of this 90, I am doing bisection, and 45 I'm getting, and this 45 and 90 collectively become 135. Is it okay, Jen?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let us start exercise 4.3. First question, 4.3. First question is, construct a quadrilateral more. Name of the quadrilateral is more, and the given dimensions are MO is equal to 6, OR is equal to 4.5, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is again 10. So this information is given to us, right? So I told you earlier that whenever you are constructing the triangles, the rough sketch is very important. So I'm firstly making rough sketch. So how to draw the rough sketch? Just roughly we are making this quadrilateral more. M is 60 degree, O is 105, R is 105. First of all, you just have to see that we are given MO side. If you want to construct this quadrilateral by using MO first, आप पहले MO draw करके इस quadrilateral को अगर आप बनाना चाहते हो, then आपके पास M and O दोनों angles होने चाहिए, और वो आपके पास है। तो आप सबसे पहले MO draw कर लोगे, rough sketch I am making 6, angle O roughly obtuse है बाहर की तरफ होगा, this is 105 degree. Here somewhere R will come and here is E. Angle R is 105. Now you are with this. अब angle R रेक पे तो बहुत सारे पॉइंट हैं, कहाँ पे खत्म होती है ये रेक, किस पॉइंट पे हम R को कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे? R अभी हमारा आया नहीं है। अब दूसरी बात यूज करोगे OR 4.5, ये बना आपका OR। इस R पे you will draw 105 again, and MO यूज हो गया, OR यूज हो गया, यहाँ पे 105 आ गया, E आएगा यहाँ पे। अच्छा, M 60 डिग्री है ऑलरेडी, हम M को भी 60 डिग्री बनाएंगे यहाँ पे। M is 60 डिग्री लाइक दिस। तो ये आपका R पे भी 105 बना, OR आपका 4.5 है। ठीक है, और ये है 60 डिग्री। जहां पे इन दो एंगल्स की आर्म्स मीट करेंगी, दैट विल बी योर पॉइंट E. So this is your rough sketch. Somehow we will get maybe figure like this, or some you can say changes might be there due to the perfect construction or using the construction instruments. चलिए, let us start with drawing MO. सबसे पहले हम MO ड्रॉ करेंगे, नीचे करके बनाते हैं थोड़ा। कितना सेंटीमीटर है MO? 6। मैं यहाँ पे अंदाजे से ले लेती हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे 6 बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा। तो MO थोड़ा इधर, क्योंकि 105 उधर जाना। जस्ट ए मिनट। This is your MO and that is 6 centimeter. At O you have to construct 105 degree. अब 105 में आपको सिखा चुकी हूँ, इधर की तरफ आएगा ना। 105 किस किस के बीच में है? 90 and 120 के बीच में। So this is your 60, this is your 120 and this is your 90. Just make it dotted क्योंकि ये हमारे टारगेट नहीं है। 90 and 120 they are not our target. I'm just making them dotted. They will just help us to reach 105. So 105, 120 और 90 के बीच में बाइसेक्शन के थ्रू, this is 30 degree. I am bisecting it to get 15. Starting and ending point पे रख के dots पे. That's why I teach you these angles earlier so that आपको construction में मुश्किल ना आए. तो ये बना आपका 105 degree. इसको आप कोई और नाम ए कह दो जो आपके क्वाड्रिलेटरल का नेमिंग में ना हो। मैंने इसको ओ बोल दिया, रे बना दी मैंने। अब मुझे पता है एम ओ यहाँ कहीं मेरा आर आ रहा है और आर की वैल्यू मेरे पास ओ आर की वैल्यू 4.5 है। ओपन द कंपास ऑफ लेंथ 4.5। मैं अपने अंदाजे से देख लूँ। कीपिंग द नीडल एट द पॉइंट ओ, कट एन आर्क हियर। दिस इज योर पॉइंट आर. This is your point R. Now at this point R, you need to construct 105. And you know, अब मेरे पास इतनी मतलब स्पिरिचुअल पावर्स या सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स नहीं है कि मैं इसको ऐसे हिलाऊं और ये नीचे की तरफ आ जाए, R मेरा बेस बन जाए। पर आपके पास हैं सुपर नेचुरल पावर्स। क्यों है वो भी बता देती हूँ। बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग इट ऑन योर नोटबुक। आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक पे कर रहे हो। तो अगर आपका ये यहाँ पे आर है, सपोज यहाँ पे आर है, आपने आर पे एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, तो आप अपनी नोटबुक को घुमा के नीचे कर लो, आर को बेस पे ले आओ, आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन इजी हो जाएगी। आपका ये जो आर हॉरिजॉन्टली और स्लांट वे में आपको मिल रहा है। रोटेट योर नोटबुक एंड कीप आर एट द बेस। मैं नहीं कर सकती, मैं वहीं पे कंस्ट्रक्ट करूंगी, बट आप उसको अपने बेस पे ले आओ। हाँ जी जयंत।
मैम एक बार आर पॉइंट समझा दोगे मैम कैसे करना है?
नहीं, आर कैसे आया? 4.5 कट किया मैंने।
ओके मैम।
आर पे एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है ना, इसलिए अपनी कॉपी को घुमा के आर नीचे वाली लाइन पे ले आओ, बेस कर लो उसको नीचे।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, तो दिस इज 4.5, बट आई कांट डू इट, आई एम नॉट हैविंग दोज सुपरनैचुरल पावर्स, सो आई हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट 105 हियर ओनली। बाकी इसको मैं थोड़ा सा रब करने लगी, आप नहीं करोगे ताकि थोड़ा पिक्चर क्लियर हो जाए। तो आर पे 105 ड्रॉ करने के लिए फिर से वही, आपका नीचे आया हुआ है, आप बेस नीचे ले चुके हो। This is 60. This is 120. This is your 90. 90. 120. इसके बीच में आपका 105. तो इसको बाइसेक्ट कर दो 105 के लिए, कीपिंग द नीडल एट द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड एट द एंडिंग पॉइंट यू विल गेट इट टू बी 105 स्केल। ये बना आपका आर पे 105 डिग्री। दिस एंगल इज 105 डिग्री। यहाँ पे भी मार्क करो, ये वाला आपका आर्क जो है वो 105 डिग्री। डायमेंशन साथ साथ लिखते जाते हैं। ओ आर इज 4.5। नाउ आपको पता है एम ओ आर, यहाँ कहीं ई आना है, तो एम का एंगल, जो जो चीजें यूज हो गई उनको टिक कर लो। ये सब यूज हो गया, रह गया दिस एंगल एम। एम इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री। आप इस पे भी कोई नाम कर दो, इसको आप बी बोल दो। वो वाले रे पे, रे का एंड पॉइंट आपने वो लेना है जो आपके ट्राइंगल की नेमिंग में ना हो, जैसे कि ए एंड बी आपके ट्राइंगल की नेमिंग में नहीं है। तो एम पे यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट 60 डिग्री एट एम। Angle M is to be constructed as 60 degree. So open the compass. So this is your 60 degree. Just have to make this 60 degree, and it is meeting the ray RB at a point, and that point we regard it as E. So this is your 60 degree. Had it been we have not learned the angles separately, तो इसकी construction आपको difficult लगती. But as we have learned how to draw 105, 60 separately, so it seems to be easy for us, right? So now I'm going to start with the steps of construction. एक के मैं लिखवा देती हूँ, steps of construction. Write the first step. Draw MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Second, at O, draw angle MOA, ये A, equal to 105 degree. Third step, along OA, cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter, meeting it at R. Cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter, meeting it at R. Fourth point, at R, construct एंगल ORB। जिस पे एंगल आप कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हो वो सेंटर पे आना चाहिए। हियर यू वर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग एंगल एट O, तो मैंने O सेंटर में, ORB इज इक्वल टू 105 डिग्री। नेक्स्ट, नाउ टेकिंग R, बस ये हो गया आपका, आपके पास रे आ गई। अब आपने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था 60 डिग्री। एट M कंस्ट्रक्ट 60 डिग्री मीटिंग RB एट E। मीटिंग RB एट E। ठीक है, जो हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन में किया दैट वी आर राइटिंग इन अ फॉर्मेट। सो सिक्स्थ, मोर इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल। मोर इज द रिक्वायर्ड क्वाड्रिलेटरल। राइट, आपको पेपर में आ सकता है व्हाट विल बी द मेजर ऑफ एंगल ई। कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लगाओगे? एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, दैट सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल इज 360 डिग्री। सम किया और आपका ये 90 आ जाएगा। Angle sum property says this angle E, it will be 90 degree, right? So second, I'm giving you as homework. This you will do yourself. Third, fourth मैं आपको करवाऊंगी. Second आपने as homework करना है. Rough sketch बेटे बहुत important होता है. If you are constructing the rough sketch, it will help you to see, to make the fair sketch. यहाँ पे इधर हमारा rough sketch था, ये हमारा यहाँ पे fair sketch है. If you are making rough sketch, then you can make the fair sketch accordingly. You know, rough sketch can guide you. जैसे अगर हमें कहीं अननोन जगह पे जाना होता है ना, तो हमें रफ सा मैप अपने हाथ से ड्रॉ करके देखते हैं, अच्छा इधर से इधर जाएंगे, इधर से इधर. It will help us. It helps us to reach our destination easily. Right? So the next question is your homework. Quadrilateral plan is to be drawn where PL and LA, they are given to you. चलो मैं आपको इसका रफ स्केच बता देती हूँ सेकंड क्वेश्चन का. This is quadrilateral plan. Yes, Rhythm, what do you want to ask?
मैम इसमें 110 डिग्री कैसे बनेगा?
किसमें? इसमें 110 is not multiple of 15, so we'll make it with the help of protector. Even 85 will
Okay.
85 will be made with the help of protector. We'll continue to that.
Okay.